inverse of a function. So, here we are going to perform the inverse of a function, or in other words called the mapping in an advanced level. So, if f of x is from a to b, if it is 1 to 1 and as well as onto, then the inverse function that is given by means of f inverse, that is from b to a, is also a function. Then now here we are going to discuss about the inverse function. The definition of this inverse function is of. So here the function which we got by interchanging the ordered pairs of all f, then the function so obtained will be of the inverse of that given function, that is f. So here if f is a function, then the set of ordered pairs so obtained, or in other words so got by interchanging the first and as well as the second coordinates, of each ordered pair in the given function, that is f, is called the inverse function, which is denoted by means of f inverse. So here let us perform. So this is the notation. So here inverse function is denoted by means of f inverse. So it is read as f inverse. So here illustration under this, the illustration is of. So let us perform two functions, that is f is equals to 0 comma 0 as the first ordered pair, 1 comma 1 as the second ordered pair, 2 comma 4 as the third ordered pair, and 3 comma 9 as the fourth ordered pair, and so on. So here at this moment the inverse function is denoted by means of f inverse. So here it can be obtained by means of interchanging the x coordinate and y coordinate. X and y we have to replace as y and x. So here in the place of x, which is 0, and y is also of 0, when we interchange x and y coordinates, we will be getting same 0 comma 0 as the first ordered pair in the f inverse, that is inverse of function. 1 comma 1, so when we interchange we will be getting 1 comma 1 itself. So when 2 comma 4 are interchanged, so here 4 comes in the x coordinate and this 2 comes in the y coordinate. Then now here 3 comma 9 as 9 comma 3, and similarly and so on. So this is the function which we got, that is f inverse. Then now let us perform one more. So illustration, that is function g is equals to set consisting the ordered pairs 0 comma 1, that is 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1, so dash dash. Then now here g inverse. So here g inverse is obtained by means of interchanging the ordered pairs 0 comma 1 as 1 comma 0 as the first ordered pair, 1 comma 2 as 2 comma 1, and 2 comma 1 as 1 comma 2, and similarly and so on. But here there is a note that is to be noted here. So here if function f is from a to b, is 1 to 1 and as well as onto function, then so f inverse is given by means of b into a is a function. That is, if and only if function f which is from a into b is 1 to 1 and as well as on to, that is bijection. If f is a bijection, or in other words, then only say f inverse which is from b to a by interchanging. So here x coordinates as y coordinates and vice versa. Then f inverse b into a is said to be called as a function. So here let us illustrate. So here the illustration under this is of let function f is from R to R or R into R be defined by means of a function that is f of x is equals to 3x minus 4. So here we have to show that the given function, that is f, has an inverse function. Whereas here inverse function is generally denoted by means of f inverse, we have to show this f as f inverse, and at the same time we have to find the rule that defines this f inverse, that is the inverse function. So here for this, the illustration, the proof is of